In today's tutorial, we're going to build a journey to add new ActiveCampaign contact details to Google Sheets. For this, let's start with our trigger, choose ActiveCampaign, and then choose Contact Added as Trigger Event. Now, I'm going to select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. In steps, we have to add data into Google Sheets. So for that, select Google Sheets, choose Add Row as Action, select an existing connection and again link the account to establish the connection. Now, we have to select the appropriate spreadsheet and the respective sheet. Add details using ActiveCampaign app data. That's it. We are ready with our journey. Now, let me just save the changes and start journey. Now, go to ActiveCampaign's contact page and click on Add Contact. Add the contact details and add. As you can see, a new contact has been created as per details added. Now let's go back to the journey. Yes, the journey has been executed successfully. Now let me just go to Google Sheets. As you can see, contact details have been added in a new row. This way, you can also build a journey to add a new ActiveCampaign contact details to Google Sheets. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.